And really, it's always a treat to kick off the summer season with good company. And again, thank you for being here, celebrating with us, and really kicking things off with the ultimate classic summer favorite. You know, one thing na natutunan namin from our customers is gustong-gusto nila gina-value yung summertime nila. What they love is building core memories with their friends, with their families, and really they want to maximize their summer season. Yung mga umay experiences nila, gusto nilang gawing oh my experiences. And really, Chowking Hanale Supreme is the best partner to bring color to your summer. With our super sakat, kompletong lamig sarap, really we can confidently say na ang sarap ka summer ng Chowking Hanale Supreme. Yes? Yes, alright. And what's extra special this year is we are celebrating the 40th year anniversary of Chowking. Alright, and syempre, what bigger way to celebrate that than by welcoming familiar faces to really bring color to our campaign. Two of the most talked about love teams and champions. So one question, love team. Are you guys ready to meet them? Yeah?